Lily loved visiting her grandfather. He lived in a small cottage with a wonderful workshop. The workshop was old and dusty. It was filled with cobwebs and strange tools. Lily loved to explore its shadowy corners. One rainy afternoon, Lily sat with her grandfather. He was telling her stories of his travels. She loved his stories. They were full of adventure and excitement. Lily often dreamt of faraway lands. Lily's grandfather smiled. He pointed to a dusty old chest. It sat in a corner of the workshop. "That chest," he whispered, "is full of magic." Lily's eyes widened. She had never seen anything magical before. Lily carefully opened the chest. Inside, it sparkled and shimmered. There were tools of every shape and size. Some glowed with a warm light, others hummed softly. Lily was mesmerized. Her grandfather picked up a tiny silver hammer. It pulsed with a gentle light. "This hammer," he explained, "can fix anything broken." He tapped a chipped teacup on the table. It became whole again. Next, he showed her a golden needle and thread. "This," he said, "can mend more than just fabric." He touched a wilted flower with the needle. The flower sprang back to life. News of the magical tools spread. Soon, neighbors were knocking on their door. They brought broken toys and heavy hearts. Lily and her grandfather were happy to help. Lily used the silver hammer to fix a little boy's toy boat. It floated perfectly in the water. The boy's sad face lit up with joy. He hugged Lily tightly. A young girl came with a torn teddy bear. Lily carefully stitched it back together with the golden needle. The girl's tears turned into a bright smile. She skipped home, clutching her beloved teddy. As Lily and her grandfather helped more people, they realized something important. The real magic was not in the tools themselves. It was in the love and care they shared. The tools were special, but it was their kindness that brought happiness. It was their compassion that healed broken hearts. It was their love that filled the world with a little more magic. Lily learned a valuable lesson that summer. She learned that everyone has the power to make a difference. Everyone can choose to be kind, to help others, and to spread a little magic in the world.